this is our group presentation. So today the topic is all about verbal communication. But before we proceed our topic, may I call the group for introducing ourselves.
Hi, my name is Gigi Gerdas Galichan. I'm 16 years old.
Hi, I'm Ronald Chavez. I'm 19 years old.
Hi, my name is Ariel M. Servito and I'm 21 years old.
Hi, my name is Jamaica Lagancia. I'm 17 years old.
Hi, my name is Herjanito Silungan and I'm 23 years old.
Hi, my name is Princess Anita A. Pascual and I'm 16 years old.
Wait bro, do you know them? That's Jingjing and Donita. Yes, it is. Yes bro. They are our classmates last year. That's why there are faces na familiar to me. Yes, me too.
Bes, I miss our old classmates. Me too, Bes.
Come on bro, let's go to see them. Let's go. Jingjing, Donita!
Who is that? Someone is calling us.
They are Ronel and Earl.
Really? Yes.
Hey Jingjing, nice to meet you. Hey everyone.
Hello, I wonder how are you again, Bes?
By the way, where are you going?
Welcome back to the park. Where are you going to? Let's go. This is the church of San Bartolome.
The historic city of Malabon in Metro Manila, we can find the oldest parish of the city of San Bartolome, parish which is also a prominent historic landmark and the mother of church of the parishes of Malabon. The parish and its titular portion become the silent witness to the involving it. The tumultuous history both of the city of the nation. The image. The country's old wooden image of San Bartolome de Malabon is detalado. Image of Santa Bartolome, the apostle, captured with his silver chain while holding a book, can allusion to his preaching work on his right hand, and the ball of his left, usually a fly clip in a